Why do other people make it so hard to get things done? Hi, I'm Lisa McLeod, and this week's topic is one of my favorite, and it's the other people problem. Perhaps you have experienced this. You start out with a great project, you're in the meeting, everyone's all enthusiastic, it's going to be great, it's going to be awesome, and then we leave the meeting, and then the long slog begins. And it seems like everywhere you turn, people are determined to thwart your progress. Well, they're probably not doing it on purpose. So I want to draw your attention to one of the key problems that people face when they try to get things done. And that's this, is that people gravitate towards process and checklist over more strategic, conceptual things. And I'll give you an example. I was once part of a church board, and we decided that one of the things we wanted to do was greet visitors more warmly. That was the idea. So we put a task force on it, and what ended up happening by the end was a checklist of things to do. So you can imagine my delight when a Sunday, a few months after we started the project, I happened to observe one of our greeters telling a visitor, "I have a checklist of things I'm supposed to do," and promptly escorting the gentleman around, showing him every bulletin board, whether he wanted to see it or not. The gentleman was clearly uncomfortable and quickly left. So what went wrong? Well, the idea was conceptual. Let's make people feel welcome. What happened was it degenerated down into a meaningless checklist, and the purpose was lost. So here's my advice for you if you're a leader. If you start out with something that's conceptual and strategic, you're ultimately going to have to apply some processes to it. But if you want to keep that original intention in mind, you need to have absolute clarity about what it is. So if you're trying to make your customers feel welcome and establish a warm connection with them, put that at the top of every memo. Purpose, make customers feel welcome. Say it in every meeting, because otherwise you're in danger of it just becoming a meaningless checklist and people go through the motions. So keep the purpose alive and you'll have a greater chance of success.